Hello dear children, today we are going to learn 2D design. What is 2D design? Design means what? How we can create a design? We see the design on each and everything. On mama's sari, on our dress and on the bed sheets and the floor design. There are so many types of designs. But how we can make the design? We need shapes, we need lines, we need different patterns and color scheme. So let's start 2D design. For 2D design, children, we need pencil, eraser, scale, sketch pen or marker. And children, I am using these two coins, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin to draw circle and oil pastels. First I have made a border to this page, and then children I am going to draw lines. Anyhow children, if you want to draw curve line, if you want to draw zigzag lines, or if you want to draw slipping lines. I am drawing slipping lines here. 6 lines I have drawn, and then I am using these coins and I am keeping over here and drawing this, means tracing this coin. Okay, like this. Sometime I am tracing this 10 rupees coin. It may quite up, sometimes it is down, sometimes it is too down, and sometimes I am using this 5 rupees coin. Anywhere, anyhow, only don't overlap the coins. You can draw coins like this. After completing this, we are going to draw small circles with our hands like this, smaller than this coin. So like this little smaller circle also we are going to draw. Sometimes we are going to draw it up, sometimes near to each other. Like this you can draw anyhow. Okay, so now children, first I am going to do a border to these circles. All circles I am going to do the border. That lines we will do afterwards. Okay, after completing all these circles, I am going to draw that line, but I am not overlapping on that circle. Okay children, so our circles are up and that line is behind. So I am not going to draw that line in between this circle line. Drawing here 1, 2 circles, small wala. Okay, and like this. I am using this small scale, and where we kept these coins and we drew the circles, there I am going to draw standing line like this. Okay, and be careful, because when we are drawing this standing line, we are again leaving this portion and drawing a line. After this, for the small circles, what we are going to do? We are going to draw like this slant line. So children, now our drawing is ready. Now we are going to start the coloring. But before starting the coloring, we are going to rub the pencil work. Let's start the coloring. First, we are going to use any two light colors. Means now I am using lemon yellow and medium yellow. So you can use lemon yellow and deep yellow or any other light color. and in one part I am filling this lemon yellow, and in another part I am filling this medium yellow. Okay, or if you are having chrome yellow, you can use chrome yellow or deep yellow, any other color also. Again I will fill this here lemon yellow, and then again medium yellow. Like this we are going to do till the end. Now children, we are having many colors in our oil pastel box. What we can do? Now we are going to fill different colors in different circles. Okay, so if you want, you can use this skin. Okay, if you want, you can fill this red, maroon. Then if you want, you can fill this blue. Like this, any color, anywhere. Okay children, so fill the different circles in different colors. See, some children are having less colors and some children are having more colors. So what we can do? Only don't use that black and white, and remaining color you can use it. Okay, so if you are having less color, what we can do? We can repeat the colors. Yes children, you can repeat that color one time, two times, or if you are having many colors, you can use many colors. See how I am repeating the colors? Like that you can also repeat the colors. Now we fill each and every small and big circles. So what is the next step? Only we are going to do the dark to the circles again children, and the lines. Like this we can complete this picture, and it will give a fantastic effect to your picture. Now children, I bordered again with the help of black oil pastel to each and every circle and the line. Okay, but that back side lines, horizontal lines, I kept as it is. Okay children. So children, our 2D design drawing is ready.